In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a SurveyMonkey survey so you can stop collecting any new responses. Closing your survey ensures your data stays final and unchanged while you move forward with analysis. To get started, make sure you're logged into your SurveyMonkey account and have the survey you want to close open and ready. Once you're inside the survey, navigate to the Collect Responses section. This is where SurveyMonkey manages all the ways your survey is shared and collects data. In the Collect Responses tab, you will see a list of all collectors connected to your survey. These may include web links, email invitations, or other distribution methods. Each collector will show a status indicating whether it is still open and collecting responses. Your next step is to identify any collectors that are currently active. These are the sources still allowing people to submit responses, and they must be closed to stop data collection completely. To close a collector, click the three-dot menu next to the collector you want to stop. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Collector. Once deleted, that collector will immediately stop accepting new responses. If your survey uses multiple collectors, repeat this process for each active one. Closing all open collectors ensures that no additional responses can be submitted. As a final check, review the status of each collector to confirm they are no longer accepting responses. This helps keep your survey data consistent and ready for analysis. And that's it. You've successfully closed your SurveyMonkey survey and can now move ahead with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech guides like this.